Hello everyone, today I will discuss about the 20th century era in history of English literature.
Alright, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Rizkyayuni. I'm a student from English Literature Department Mulawamang University. I think that's enough for me, so let's get into the materials.
20th century era started after the Second World War around 1945 until 2000. The end of the Second World War did not bring stability because the world could end at any time with the discovery of the atomic bomb, which was released and attacked the Japan country in 1945. This fear continued to haunt over the world until there was also a Cold War between the Communist bloc and the West. Politics at this time is also divided between communists and non-communists. Also, in this era, there was a decline in British influence and a continuous failure to compete with the world emerging economies. In this era, the regional accent is heard regularly on official television and official radio programs like the BBC as a standard English accent. The change that occurred that related to change in parts of written English around the world, so that in the end, in this era, the term literature in English is now preferred over English literature. There is not only instability in this era, there is also stability in the economic sphere and therefore political. And there is also greater diversity, richness, and productivity in literary expression. Literary imagination at this time has mapped the last days without a lack of inventiveness and imagination power. And also, more books are being published at this time than ever before, and more books are being read than ever before in the 20th century. Literature also moves in this era through trends in writing and other aspects. Also, there are several decades or ages in this era due to different feelings, such as the age of austerity in 1950, the age of youth in 1970 also began to find its expression in this era, and a new affluence and optimism filled Britain. The age of anxiety in 1970 also, the age of new materialism in 1990, and also the age of recession and preoccupation. There is the term post-Darwinian in this era, which the introduction and widespread acceptance of the evolutionary theories of Charles Darwin. Searching creativity, especially in realism, romance, fable, satire, parody, play with form and philosophical intelligence. Postmodernism, it is a term that sought in this era due to reactions to modern thinking and used to describe the attitudes and creative production which followed the Second World War. Postmodernism celebrates diversity, eclecticism, and parody in all art forms, such as architecture, cinema, music, and also literature. All forms that represent experience are mediated, transformed, and the truth of experience becomes more varied than in previous era. The emergence of these two ideologies also provide new varieties in the writing of literary works, as well as a mixture of old and new writing styles, language, and others. For the literature, drama in this era sought its dominance until 1950, especially among the middle class people. Drama in this era brought in dialect and lower class accents and helped the transition to a more working class voice in the theater, which emerged in post-Second World War drama, and the plays are more colloquial and slangy, in keeping with the setting and the characters, such as tramps, gangsters, newspaper vendors, unemployed youth. The play's language is more naturalistic and so gaps, repetitions, silences, and incoherences modeled on normal conversation. Drama in this era also raises the issue of realism in it. Many major dramas have begun to appear on television and radio, also in cinema. About poetry, there are many poems that bring modernism into it. Besides that, romantic is also starting to be poured a lot, where writing in deeply personal responses to the world and engaging with eternal, elemental themes. For the novels published in this era tend to be more serious than in previous era, and that is also what distinguishes the novel from previous eras. The issues that exist in the novels of this era are more in the direction of the voice of young people, the voice of lower classes, the voice of a new educated middle classes, the voice of women, about racial minorities, gays, and outsiders of many other types. One feature of the novel in this era, which takes on great importance, is the use of dialogue and conversation, especially when presented with very little narrational intervention. These are the writer and their works at the 20th century era. There is Samuel Beckett with Waiting for Godot, and Dylan Thomas with 18 poems. Also, Graham Greene with The Power and the Glory. After knowing about the 20th century era, I can conclude and learn that there were many ideas emerging at the same time in this era, and which in turn produced new varieties, especially in the field of literature. These varieties will later help literature to continue to develop and be loved by many people for a long time. And that's all for me. I'm sorry if there are any mistakes such as wrong information or my English or even my pronunciation. Thank you for your attention. Good luck everyone.